After enjoying the waterfall, we continued our journey through Bali's scenic countryside. The drive itself was really beautiful. Narrow roads winding through lush greenery with tall coconut trees all around. Along the way, we passed traditional Balinese houses, simple, peaceful, and full of character. You could see small temples at the entrances with daily offerings placed outside, giving a glimpse into the local culture. Everything felt calm and unhurried, just nature, quiet roads, and everyday life. And then we reached Chantik Agriculture, such a peaceful place, just outside Ubud and surrounded by so much greenery. Honestly, the vibe here is really calm, away from all the busy tourist spots. As we walked around, we saw not just coffee plants, but also chocolate trees, and the cocoa pods actually grow straight out of the tree trunks, which was pretty cool to see. It was interesting to learn how both coffee and chocolate start right here, one from beans, the other from cocoa pods, and then end up in our cup or as chocolate.
This is the Luwak, the one animal they make the special coffee and the most expensive coffee. Animal, they eat the bean. They collect the food of the animal, they make the special coffee and the most expensive coffee. We call it Luwak. But animal they sleeping in the day. They are only active in the night. Do you drink coffee?
Yeah.
Where do you come from?
From Nepal.
Nepal.
Yeah.
This is the plant we call ginseng. So here I using the root of the tree and mixing the coffee. Ginseng is very good for increasing your energy. I make the honeymoon coffee here. Good for the stamina. Now we like to show you Luwak coffee. So this is the poo of the animal after we collect from the forest. It look like that.
It's really good to do. The same way like chicken egg. Egg also came
So
from
after we collect the poo and then we wash the poo by hot water, become clean. So after we clean that, we need to dry. And after we dry, we remove the shell and then we take the seed inside. So this is the bean inside never has contact or touch with the poo. Because of the shell covering the bean and outside. When you drink this coffee, you don't need to worry. It's very clean bean. And then we have the regular coffee bean. This is not from the poo. This is directly from the tree. And this is the cacao bean for chocolate. Yeah. And also we have the spices like ginger. We have like turmeric. We have lemongrass. We have this flower, do you know hibiscus? For this all we are using for the tea. And also we have the tea from the local fruit, we call it mangosteen. We take the skin of the fruit, it's very good for antioxidant and for cancer. Later I will give you to try some our product.
Yes.
And then this is the processing of our coffee. So after we are roasting the bean until there's color and the smell is come out, and then we do pounding. And the last processing we do sieving like this. Well, it's very strong.
Yeah.
This is pure coffee. And now time for you to try some coffee. But you can smell the Luwak coffee. This is the special one from the animal.
Oh, it's strong.
Strong, but when you try to drink, this is getting very smooth flavor inside. And the taste so not so bitter and so strong than normal coffee. And this is the coffee also low of the caffeine. Between the normal coffee, they having high caffeine.
And what seeds making? There are
So fried banana.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So now you can go to the table for time for you to try something. Can you go to the second table?
Second time, yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Did you want it?
Coffee with ginseng, lemongrass tea, coconut coffee, ginger tea, coffee with vanilla, rosella, hibiscus, coffee with cacao, mangosteen tea, turmeric tea, lemon tea, and the last is the coffee with avocado. You can read benefit also from the list, one by one. Yeah?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Our next destination is Kintamani Highlands, one of the more scenic regions in Bali, known for its cool climate and panoramic views. As we drove uphill, the roads became steeper, the air noticeably cooler, and the surroundings more peaceful. Along the way, we passed a small local farmers market, offering a glimpse into everyday life in the area. Then this view just opened up. Mount Batur and Lake Batur right next to it. Seeing an active volcano with a lake beside it, all surrounded by mountains, it just looks unreal. Everything feels so calm and peaceful. Definitely one of those moments where you just stop, take a deep breath, and really take it all in. On our way back to Alas Harum, we started feeling quite hungry, so we made a quick stop at an Indian restaurant along the way. The food had a subtle Balinese influence, which made it a unique experience. There was a wide variety of dishes available. It was a buffet, so we got to try a little bit of everything. It turned out to be a perfect break before continuing our journey. On our way to Alas Harum, it started to drizzle a little, but honestly, it made the whole journey feel even more fresh and peaceful. The light rain, the cool air, and the greenery all around. It just added to the experience. As we drove, we could see more of the local culture, traditional Balinese houses, small shops along the roadside. Everything felt so authentic. We were just enjoying the moment, and honestly, the journey itself felt just as beautiful as the destination. As we reached Alas Harum, we were really excited because there's so much to do here. The Bali swing is definitely the most popular activity, but there are also things like the flying fox, sky bike, and lots of amazing photo spots. There's even a pool party area where you can just relax and enjoy the view. It's a perfect mix of fun and nature, and we'll continue the rest of the experience in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries about visiting Bali, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.